First mod, we gotta weld this exhaust back up. It's a MagnaFlow full exhaust with the headers and everything, but just too obnoxious.
Good for you.
Ой, идет чуть-чуть. Ой, ё. What are we doing?
Repairing ugly exhaust.
Welcome back to Welding 101 with Big Man. As y'all can see, I got the diff out. Woo! Oh yeah. Anyways, as a recap of day one of prepping this thing in a week for the next drift event, I got the diff out the car. I got the exhaust all welded back up so it's actually feasible to drive and won't bust my ears out. And then I'm gonna run it through as soon as this diff is back in, all welded up and everything. But yeah, gonna continue on day two. Alright everyone, welcome back to day two. Today the diff went back into the car and fuel filter was changed. And yeah, now we're just gonna go test this. Okay, one side's ready to go back in the car. No plate, no problem. But we made our own little plate and we're just gonna dump a bunch more weld. Yeah, we are, dude. If you ever wanted to weld a diff, this is the basic needs. You're gonna need one of these and a diff. And then you're just gonna wanna gabagoo in there. Progress with the car, exhaust is all back in. And diff is back in too, all welded up. Should be ready. Just final few steps, lowering it, and then weight reduction things right now.
Yep, that seat belt in, probably this seat belt if somebody don't made. The door handle, bro. Aluminium, like one of those metal.
You want to do a little aluminum sheet?
Yeah. And just leave the door right there. You could,
Yeah.
let's see if we can do like one of these.
Кирилл сейчас вытаскивает тут задние сиденья. The whole trunk is pretty much gutted. Gonna take out the speakers and then move to the front end. Damn, I'm a race car. Mama, I made it. Mama, I made it. Some last checks with David. She straight?
She's straight, dude.
Brother, so I'm sending it on Sunday, eh?
Good shit. Good.
Alright, I didn't do much recording today because I came in late, but interior same. I ordered my helmet, got my shift knob coming. Put my M3 bumper I had laying around on. She looks way better. When my coils come in, that's when I'm going to take all the inner fenders out and everything, lighten it up more, pump up the tires to the right PSI, and then give her one last clean before the day. Oh yeah, also the cooling system coming. New radiator and fans so she don't overheat. Welcome back to an unboxing. Ready for this? This thing ain't ever gonna go overheat now. Oh yeah, look at that. Baller. We got a nice little array of parts ready to be installed. So I'm gonna start installing this cooling system now. I didn't even notice the phone fell over, so you guys missed a couple of time-lapse minutes, but I'm almost about to pull out these hoses. I have my bucket set up underneath. Yeah, I'm about to pull it. Ready, guys? Ready, guys? Ooh, she a squirter. Oh, she a squirter. Ooh. So welcome back right now. I'm about to pop off this clamp. Take this, plop it onto there. Beautiful. As you can see, I pulled out this sensor. About to put it in. I just gotta change out this, if you can even call that a gasket, but this is what was left of the old gasket. There's the new one. So I'm gonna clean this up real quick and then put her in. No, the new radiator's in. Gonna connect the fan and then start bolting it up. I still gotta figure out how to activate the fan. But yeah. She went in with no questions, trust me. We weren't just hammering her in. But yeah, we're about to figure out this expansion tank and then how to actually mount it.
Ветер уносит мои мысли, разнося по миру.
Getting her out. You always want to use a little bit of lube, especially when dealing with older cars, just to, you know, get her a little wet so she just been just doing some cleaning stuff of the under. Took out all the inner fenders other than these back ones. About to do that right now. WD-40'd up all the bolts, and then I want to figure out my shifter situation. As y'all can see, got the first one in. Woo! Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Friday morning, and this is the situation with the car. Pretty much didn't get anything done last night. I got one in. She looks good. I'm figuring out the problem with my shifter right now. I got the whatever bumper back on. I cleaned up the bottom. Now I gotta figure out the cooling. I'm gonna take out the thermostat, whatnot. Figure this out. Here's the game plan on how to take out the rear springs. Ready? Someone's gonna push, and I'm gonna slip this hole out real quick. For example, since I'm a one man, oh, I really just did that. Let's go. I repeated the process on both sides, but the right side was weird. Не помню. 17, 18. Сейчас несу.
Вот, смотри, it's already got pressure on it, it's not moving at all. Вот, видишь? That's it. Она будет просто stiff. Лучше просто режем, если что, смотри, quarter.
Мы на полу, bro. She's going to the floor. I guess let's see. Might not even be able to go all the way down because of the freaking lift, but been a little bit since I last recorded. Me and Kirill are struggling. Not. Oy yo. We're having some. Oh man, I'm having suspension issues. We're having cooling issues over there. Just want to drive this thing, and don't even look over there. Yeah.
Da.
The new is in. About to spray these calipers red just to match the theme a little bit. Welcome back. Right now I'm trying to find paint. I have a bottle, but it's like empty. So, oh yeah, she's gonna look good. Ой, покажем всем. Работает? Работает. Nice. Haven't picked up the camera for a while, but here's what we got done. Brakes, around, all around, done. Finished spraying the calipers in the front and the rear. Suspension's all done. Putting up the cooling. We have the cooling wired up to this switch right now, but we will be changing it to a more high-powered house switch to not have it burn out. Master electrician. We're about to wire up this auxiliary fan. We got the switch already. Yeah. Look at that. Ой. Не в ту сторону поехал. Вообще лучше работает уже, бро. Alright guys, end of day, I don't know, whatever. End of day 4, it's Friday. Some problems we have ran into. The auxiliary fan, we still gotta wire it up. The thermostat leaking, the thermostat housing is leaking because the gasket's not there. We had a vacuum leak because when we were putting on our power steering pump sock, someone ripped off the vacuum line. So now we gotta fix that. Another issue we had, no issues with the suspension really, other than, I don't know, I was just manhandling that thing in, but here's how she sits. She's low. We gotta figure out if I'm gonna go higher in the back or not with my spacer. Here's the wiring we have set up. I'm gonna flip it to a light switch. I covered this up and it was still somehow getting air, which under there was a hole. But yeah, leaking coolant from the thermostat housing. Gotta get a gasket for that. Everything else is holding up, seems to be good. But yeah, hopefully she'll be ready for Sunday. Also, my helmet came in. Got some merch on it, you know, but still gotta do fire extinguisher, and she's gonna be ready for Sunday. She's already registered, so yeah. She's set up, I guess. Mounting battery, and then yeah, she should be ready. Ready? Gonna load up all my tires and everything in the back. Some final checks. She's ready. Сейчас мы делаем camber. You got it? Yeah. It just moved by itself? Yeah. Oh yeah, I see that. Oh, would it be better to do it in the air, or is it gonna sit?
No, it's gonna do CT.
I bet. All right, she'll do. Got all my tires loaded up. Got all my tools down there. all my extra cool fluids and my jack stand, my helmet. Everything's here. Now, just time to make it home and see if she'll actually make it home.
Talking about like right now, I think the axle needs to go back through because that thing goes.
Welcome back. It's Sunday morning, the day of the event. Me and Vladik are finishing up this spindle and wheel bearing. Here we are. I don't know what to do, but shit, did I go the wrong way? Oops. Let me go past Teddy. Train's over there. We ready?
Damn.
Look at this little purple rocket, eh?
This is mega clean, bro.
Смотри, какой fender exit. Hell yeah. Honest thoughts, I'm so scared right now. I don't know what to do. I'm so scared. I don't know what to do. I'm on the track already. This is about to get devious. I'm next out. I don't know what to do. I'm scared. I don't know. Alright, going out for pass number 3. Still a bunch of people out here, but I pumped up my tires to 65, I think, from the whatever 40 was at, but yeah. That's what I did, TBH.
Ветер куда-то уносит куда-то, зовет меня.
Ветер уносит мои мысли.
What the f are we doing, Vladik? Welcome back to $1,000 drift car today. We just did some bullshit. Did you mess? See how it's rusty? We're about to fix that. Oh yeah.
No, you get it. Like the texture will still be there. I just want to try to.
It's fish iron.
Are you gonna be taking all the overspray off the side of the rims?
Why?
Because I did one of them, so I think you gotta do the rest. Discreetness. I thought, what is this, Rocket League, bro? It looks like Rocket League ass wheels, dude. This is starting to look proper. About to have the freaking Rocket League wheels on here. Rocket League wheels. Got one left. Final touches.
Swing it.
Just some. Oh yeah, look
Oh, bro, there's no hole
brand
there.
new, bro.
Hell yeah. Alright, now one on the glass.
No, I already bailed.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're back in this hole. Had a couple of experiences already. What's the most?
Everybody screaming,
I'm
tell
trying to tires.
First time we get you, you gon' tell on the whole gang. She said, can she fuck me with my diamond chain? If I ain't in the